Are you ready for that?
So 10 and 6. Okay. Safety rules, always keep your gun pointed in a safe direction. Your safe direction is in front of your targets over there. You each have a target that you'll be taking home with you, so please be as accurate as possible. Okay, your pistol, sorry?
Don't embarrass yourself.
Yeah, please don't. So, your pistol and your rifle, you'll be shooting on the white paper targets, and in your shotgun, you'll be shooting down those blue steel plates over there.
Hectic.
Okay. Somebody shouted something there.
Was it shooting miss?
Yes, you were shooting me into the
Shooting the birds there at the back. Okay, you ready?
Did I even shoot the bird?
Yeah, you got
2 times.
1, 2, 3.
3 shots only.
At the 10.
This is all innocent bystanders with you.
Now what, bro? Now what?
Wanna go for? When you're ready, pump back, forward.
Okay. Well,
The wind took that one down.
well.
Lean forward. Squeeze hard.
Sorry. The cat is warm.
You're supposed to tie. You're supposed to
Nicely
a
done.
wind.
Sisa, better than always. Look at Jay.
Oh, the fat person.